Hey guys, I am going to be making cloud slime, but with only a diaper and some water, because I saw lots of videos of like people making cloud slime with water and diapers, because you can't find the real snow in a local area. You could just use diapers and water. So first I'm gonna make the diaper mixture with water. So I gotta like cut in there, find what's in here. I don't know where to cut or anything. So trying to cut this. It's so hard. Okay. I cut it a little. I'm gonna try to rip it open. Oh, I feel some beads in there already. Okay. They never said to do this, but I'm gonna try to feel around because I don't feel any beads still. Okay, so if you don't feel any beads, grab all the foam you can. Depends on how big, how much you want. Okay, now I'm gonna add the water to the foam, and now I'm gonna just mix it in so it's like a big clump. It's actually working, but I only want to add a little bit at a time because I don't want to put too much. So this is how it turned out. I think it will be fine. Now let's just pour our glue. I'm excited for this actually, like very excited. Oh, I gotta stop at Michael's tomorrow and get some more glue. But anyways, next thing you want to do is, oh snap, I forgot my color. I'll be back, guys. Okay guys, I cannot find my color, so we're just gonna have to add the Tide in, and the Tide will just make it blue. Yeah, but the Tide's really pretty. It's like this one. It's like a darker color of the real version. Let me see if I could just grab the camera, flip it over to show you. It's like a teal color, kind of. So all you gotta do is just grab your little fork, stir it around. Just keep on stirring, actually. Oh, it smells so good. I use this all the time for my slime because, like, it's so nice. It smells actually really good, so it gives it a nice, good Tide scent. Ooh, ew. I got some on me. And you're like, why didn't you add the foam yet? And that's because I'm going to be adding the foam, and I'm also adding the rest of the water into the slime. But I'm going to be adding the foam at the end when I'm done making the slime. So my arm hurts a lot. I'm going to try to add more because I don't want it to be sticky though. Like all the sides with the glue. This should be perfect. And later I'm going to 7-Eleven with my brother because my parents aren't home, so yeah. Ow. Okay, I'm still stirring. Guys, this is not even slime. Like, do you see that? This needs more time. Oops. Well, I didn't add actually that much. I don't know why I said oops. But it might turn out very good. It might not. Okay, I want to roll up this sleeve and this one. This is gonna get messy. Ooh, this is actually nice.
Yo guys, blue tack or blue
Well,
tack?
it's actually kind of sticky. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add more Tide, and then I'm gonna have to go with my hands to mix the Tide in, because like I have to make sure if it's not sticky or sticky, and I have to make sure when it's the right thing and not too overactivated. I want to give this to my friend Jodie from her birthday tomorrow, but if it's too sticky, I can't. That's why I want to get like containers, because I don't have Ziplocs right now. I will sell my containers.
No, they're actually good. If you hit
With
them,
even more slime.
if you hit them twice, well,
Needs
I
more.
like them. I like using them. I like them. I got Greasy all to myself. I came out with a blue AR, a blue tag, and a blue SMG with 7 minis and a big pump. And max with 263 brick and 115
I'm needing, hopefully, if I need, it won't get any more worse. Oh wait, guys, it stuck to my hand. I mean, this is good enough, but like too sticky. I was like, before I made this video, I just woke up from a nap, so I didn't even know my parents if they went to. And I want to go shopping. I don't want to tell you guys where they went shopping, so like you could try to find them and then stalk them. So yeah, it's so hard to put it in. Cause I have messy fingers. Look.
I didn't have her at all last year. I knew how she
Uh,
I didn't have her at all. Never to leave her inside.
I don't get how this is so sticky.
When you were
Maybe
gone.
when we add the flour, it like won't get any worse, and it would just like go down or something, because like my hands are getting tired from this. Well, this is like what it wasn't as sticky, and I just added only a little bit of Tide.
We still leave her in.
I sneezed. I don't know what to do. My hands are dirty. Okay, so this is like super nice and stuff like that. So I don't kind of want to ruin it or anything. But I'm gonna have to add more Tide. Sorry, but bye-bye. Okay.
Shots popping off. Come in. Come in, boys.
Alright guys, I finally fixed it. It's not as sticky. I'm gonna call this cotton candy. Oh, just saying that got me hungry. Alright, I'm gonna rip a little bit out and then put it in. And then mix it all in. It's this last night, so it should work. But like, it takes kind of like a while to mix it in. Because it's like foam. And foam, it takes like a long time to get it mixed in into other stuff that is soft. So now, let's see that was. It actually feels good in between my fingers. I don't know why, but it just does. This is what it looks like right now. It is turning kind of thick. So I'm thinking of adding more foam to this.
Yeah, right?
But it's not gonna be wet. Maybe it would like help a lot better or something and make it more even more snowy. Which I'm doing right now because you can see the difference. I'm only adding a little bit of dry because like I don't want to get
Yo, y'all
too
can't have that. No! I got it.
done. Oh, but do you see this? I don't know if you can see there's like little chunks in it. So I still gotta mix that in until all the chunks are gone. Big Dad takes me home.
Woo!
And Queen. Just ask for Charlie.
Oh my god, bro. Nice
Okay.
stare edit, dude. I just
This
came in third place.
A pretty nice blue, I'm calling it a
This guy's staring.
because it's like a baby blue. And it's like a nice
Yeah,
stretchy.
bro. I had no light barrier. I was running out of mats.
Like you could kind of see the dust when you stretch it and the slime from the diaper. As you can see, so if I let it sit for a few minutes, it might turn its cloth on. Because I think the dry foam is helping it a lot and it's making it even more cloudy. So I'm gonna keep adding. Let's just add. Okay, I'm mixing it in. It's like getting in there, but like it's gonna like get used to it. So don't worry, it'll get a lot of attention in there. Well, not like attention. I don't know how to like really mix in there. I just gotta do this. Ah. This is my nice and soft.
Well, everyone took it all that action, right, Aiden?
Yeah, there's still some leftover glue up here, so I'm gonna just like paint it on the top of the slime and see if it does any reactions or anything.
Abby, you smell bad.
Boy, don't even tell me, cause your hairline smells bad, and it's shaped like a pig too.
Boy, don't tell me. Don't let me start it with your short-looking self.
Boy,
You look like a porcupine.
don't get it started with your hairline, your dirty butt hairline. So I'm thinking if I let it sit, it might become cloud slime. So as you already see, when I stretch it like this, it's really drizzly. Then if I stretch it like this, you can see all like the little strips from the labor. I'm thinking there is bubble wrap around here in my basement. So I just try to look for it. I might find it. Let's look for bubble wrap. I cannot find any bubble wrap. What the heck? Yadi, is there bubble wrap over there? Okay, I'm back. I can't find no bubble wrap, but whatever. Oh, there's a little clump right here. I can mix it in. What if you can add you see this in the corner? Right here where I'm standing. It's not really slime because look, it's just like glue. It's like glue and Tide, but not even slime. Oh, I think that rhymed. Glue and Tide, but not even slime. Wait, glue and Tide both end with an E, and then slime ends with an E, and never has an E in it. I mean, yeah, not even. Even doesn't even have, even has a an E in it, so that's why it rhymes. I'm thinking I can make that slime. Let's add a little bit to it. Oops. Well, this glue today it's been really rough on me, and it was like I had to give it lots of activator. Now you see this. Now it's working. Now it's working. And then I'm fixing when I'm gonna get like when I'm making a slime, but there's like some left over, and I'm trying to scooch it over to like get more slime in it. Is that how you really feel about me, slime? Is that how you really feel about me? What if I just throw you in the trash? Cause look at you, you're not even good anyways. Okay.
Why kicking me? Why are you kicking me? Help, Aiden.
To be honest, I'm gonna mix it in. But like, do you see this? Ah! It might, actually it's gonna be like sick. Oh, it smells so good, I love it. My hands are in a lot of pain. If there's more water in here, I would. Ooh. There. So I just like kind of like do it on top of the slime so that the things that are still in there could like soak up. I think I know what I'm gonna do with the rest of this. Guys, I'll be back, okay? I'm gonna just like put some more water in this, so I'll be back. I'm back. Some more water. Putting it on the cotton candy white. I decided since it's like a white color, I'm naming it cotton candy snow. I might call it Snowball because I love the movie Pets. I mean Secret Life of Pets.
Abby,
Why?
I'm saying we can't go.
Why? Ask her when she comes home. I wish I stuck in my big brother side. But like, anyways, I might call this Snowball because that's like a. I don't know if you can see it. It looks blue on the camera. I don't know why though. It looks blue, but like now it looks white. Now it looks blue. What? Now this looks completely white, just like pale white on the. I'm not gonna say what I'm recording on the video. It just looks pale white when I put it super close. Guys, you know what? I'll see you again tomorrow. Actually, I have a video. Well, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace.